Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV on a beautiful summer day. Here we are at Exit 11 in Stewiacke, and I have a brand new 2026 Wildwood X-Lite 273 QBXL. This is actually the shortest full bunkhouse unit that we have. Come on down and see the outdoor kitchen. Nice, compact outdoor kitchen. It doesn't interfere with the bunks inside. We have a little griddle on top, made by Lodge, of course. And over here we have an outdoor shower. Perfect. Little fridge. Come on up this way. On-demand propane hot water.
Jennifer to Park.
Spot here for a big screen, and we do have the fireplace in place down here. The Versa sofa, so this will become this is an L-shaped sofa, but it can turn back into a U-shaped dinette with a shorter sofa. So very versatile, just like it says in its name. Underneath, we have totes in place. Across from here, we have 11 cubic feet of refrigeration. Door can swing either way. Microwave up here. Nice hidden, nice little cabinet. Very nice cabinetry in the Wildwoods this year. 2026. Come on up here, see the bedroom. And in we are for a king size. Lots of room in there. Cabinetry, your bed goes up, bed comes down. Perfect. Room for a big screen here as well. And yes, there's a bunk room. Come on back. Have a look at that. A true quad bunk with a couch on the bottom. Nice little cabinet over here. Place to put some entertainment up above and some totes. Also, come on out. Little corner pantry. So just when you think there's enough room in your kitchen, there's more. And great size shower. For a quad bunk, that's a perfect size bathroom. And porcelain toilet. Come see this brand new 2026 Wildwood at Pine Acres RV, X11, Stewiacke. Pine Acres.